Magbabalik ang ilang familiar faces bilang host para sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0. Ano kaya ang kanilang inaasahan sa bagong season? Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Are you ready for version 2.0?
Sa nalalapit na muling pagbubukas ng bahay ni Kuya para sa PBB Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0, mga young Gen Z celebrities ang patutuloyin ni Kuya sa kanyang tahanan.
Ito ang teleserye ng totoong buhay.
Bagong season pero meron pa ring mga pamilyar na mukha dahil nagbabalik ang mga host from the first successful big collab ng GMA Network at ABS-CBN Studios. Ang kapuso it girl ni Kuya, Gabby Garcia, looking forward na raw sa pagsisimula ng bagong season dahil talagang na-enjoy raw niya ang kanyang first PBB hosting stint.
Talagang I always value this show kasi in-unleash niya talaga yung hosting side ko and talagang nakapaglaro ako. I was just really myself and I had so much fun the previous season kaya I'm pretty sure doble pa yung saya ngayong season na to.
Kapuso represent din si Mavi Legaspi na more than happy to be back again as a PBB host.
And I'm so excited for this season because I'm sure there's gonna be a new twist to this, a new flavor and a new vibe coming from such a successful season from the first collab, and the 2.0 is gonna be amazing, an amazing one, and I can't wait to get started.
Muli nilang makakasama ang kapamilya PBB hosts na sina Bianca Gonzalez, Robbie Domingo, Kim Chu, Melay Cantiveros Francisco, Enchong D at Alexa Ilacad. Giving 90s and Y2K vibes ang pictorial na may kinalaman din sa inilabas na new season teaser ni Kuya.
Malaking bahagi itong nakikita nila ngayon sa look ng bahay, sa challenges, sa amin din, sa aming mga host, di ba?
Of course, I'm still so happy and I'm still very honored na maging parte ng pamilya ni Kuya. And thankfully, wala naman naiibig sa host. Thank God. Kasi sabi ko, yes, because I was really wishing na sana makasama pa rin ako, ganyan. And thankfully, my wish came true and I'm still here.
Si Robbie, full of nostalgia rin na sinuot pa ang shirt from his PBB Teen Edition stint way back 2008.
Kaya sobrang excited ako kasi 2008, doon ako pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya as a teen. I'm so excited for another collab edition. 2.0 for me means the first collab did really well. So within a year, diba? Meron agad na panibago.
Hoping si Bianca na this new season will bring a lot of opportunities para sa mga bagong housemates tulad ng mga nagdaang season. Pinaalalahanan din niya ang fans to be kinder sa lahat ng housemates at ang kanyang mensahe sa soon-to-be Sparkle at Star Magic housemates.
Isang malaking good luck. First of all, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience na sana ma-enjoy nila talaga. Sana they find true friends na nandyan sa buhay nila forever. And most importantly, to have fun.
Aubrey Carampel, updated showbiz happenings.